The idea of a gravel bike, what we call 606B.
Development would be in the order of 4,000 hours.
We start with the aesthetics and then through an iterative process work with each of the departments to draw out the needs that they have to the production process and then feed that back into the design of the bike.
I deal with a lot of specific and quite precise tooling. Every part has a different time that it has to be cured for. If it's not cured to the correct time, the part will not have the structural integrity.
Making sure that the parts are supported well enough where they're not getting any steps in the print, because if a support lets go, the whole thing will shift because it's under so much tensile stress as it's printing.
A part like this will get me rumble for 240 hours on the machine.
You can have a fast or slow clear to everything change, because at the end bikes they are really small tubes. It's not like a big panel.
We made a prototype for the Pantera, which I have built and rebuilt 6 times, just with different group sets.
We're still feeding back, updating and retesting. Even once we've started production, we're still doing more evaluation. Given so much love and attention to each one as we're doing it, you have a special bond with each one.
It's all done by hand. You mechanise anything and you're saving money, but it doesn't have soul.